What's up guys? Today we have a fantastic recipe for you. We're going to be making a frittata, so without further ado, make sure to punch that notification bell and let's get to it. So today we're going to be making an excellent frittata, and that will not be the last egg pun I make in this video, so be prepared. So to prepare our egg mixture, what I first did was crack 8 eggs into a bowl. And then I'm going to add in some other ingredients, starting with chopped chives. We will season this mixture with teaspoons of black pepper and salt. Next, I added 2 handfuls of pepper jack cheese because one was not enough and I love cheese. And then we are going to simply beat up our eggs. Using a whisk, you just want to whisk it really good until it is one uniform mixture. This recipe is super easy to make and it's a great breakfast on any day of the week. I personally love brunch, but I hate the hassle of having to spend hours preparing dishes. So this dish is a quick little brunch item without all of the extra effort. Next, we are going to saute some of our veggies for this dish, starting with our arch nemesis, the onions. If you want to learn how to deal with these hurtful little guys and cut them properly, make sure to check out our basics video. The link will be on top of this video, or also you can check it out in the description below. For this recipe, I've already cut the lines accordingly, and now I will take on this sleeping giant. I might cry a few times, so wish me luck. Next, I take on my second challenger, garlic, who after facing the onion was no match for me. We throw the chopped garlic into the pan with the melted butter and saute it until we get a nice golden color on it. Once that's done, the onions join the party and warm up beside their buddies. And finally, we add in one spicy boy, the jalapeno, and saute that as well. Once the party's warm enough, the eggs will make their fashionably late entrance. We're going to let the entire party settle down until the eggs are cooked on the edges of the pan. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Meanwhile, our oven is preheated to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so that once the edges of our eggs are cooked, the entire party is ready to move to their second location. We will take the pan and we will pop the entire pan into the oven. Make sure you use an oven-safe pan for this because I don't want you guys ruining your pans out there. So use an oven-safe pan. If you don't know, look it up or get an oven-safe pan that you know for sure will not get messed up in the oven. The pan will remain in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes and then we are ready to enjoy. Once the frittata is out of the oven, you have to make sure you hold the handle with a glove or something else, or else you're going to learn the hard way of how things in the oven get hot and how your fingers are not fans of overly hot things. We're going to cut into this dish and we're going to serve it up with some hot sauce or whatever it is you like on your eggs. Who am I to judge? Unless it's something like super weird like milk or something. Don't do that. So guys, here's our final dish. It looks amazing. It's amazing. Delicious. You can eat this with some hot sauce. You can eat it with whatever you want. But make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow the channel, punch that notification bell, and stay tuned for more recipes.